London. London is a famous and historic city. It is the capital of England in the United Kingdom. The city is quite popular for international tourism because London is home to one of the oldest standing monarchies in the Western Hemisphere. Rita and Joanne recently traveled to London. They were very excited for their trip because this was their first journey overseas from the United States. Among the popular sites that Rita and Joanne visited are Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and the London Eye. Big Ben is one of London's most famous monuments. It is a large clock tower located at the northern end of Westminster Palace. The clock tower is 96 meters tall. Unfortunately, Rita and Joanne were only able to view the tower from the outside. The women learned that the tower's interior is undergoing renovations until 2021. Fortunately, the London Eye, the city's famous Ferris wheel, was open to the public. The London Eye is situated along the southern shores of the Thames River. This attraction stands 135 meters high. It is one of London's most well-known spots for gaining aerial views of the city. Each capsule of the Ferris wheel can hold up to 25 passengers. When their capsule stopped at the top of the Ferris wheel, the women took spectacular panoramic photographs of the beautiful cityscape below. The last place that Rita and Joanne visited was Buckingham Palace, the home of the Queen of England. The women were impressed by the palace's incredible architecture and historical value. Both Rita and Joanne enjoyed watching the Queen's guards outside the palace. These guards wore red tunic uniforms, shiny black boots, and bearskin hats. Despite the women's attempts to catch the attention of the guards are specifically trained to avoid distractions. Because of this, the guards ignored the women completely. Joanne and Rita had an amazing time visiting the City of London, and they are inspired to seek more international travel destinations in the future. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.